Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, I will talk about Navigator object in JavaScript. The JavaScript Navigator object is used for users' browser detection. It can be used to get browser information such as app name, app code name, and user agent. The Navigator object holds information about the browser. The Navigator object is the property of window object, or you can say the Navigator object is the child object of top level window object. With the help of Navigator object, you can check if cookies are enabled or disabled on the user browser. Let me show you how you can check for the cookies enabled or disabled on user browser. I will use document.write method for the display purposes, and inside this I'll write cookies enabled. I'll write the window object, and then I will access the Navigator object, and then I will access the cookie enabled property and a line break. If cookies are enabled on user's browser, this cookie enabled property will return true. If cookies are not enabled on user browser, it will return false. I'll go ahead, I'll save this script. I'll open the index.html file. As you can see, it returns true because cookies on this Chrome browsers are enabled. Let me disable them. I'll go to the settings. I'll click on show advanced settings, and then I will go to the privacy and then content settings, and from here I will block sites from setting any data. Browser cookies are small piece of data sent from website, and they are stored in the user's web browsers while the user is browsing. I'll go ahead, I will click on the done button, and I'll refresh my script. As you can see, it returned false because I have disabled my cookies. Let me turn it on again. I will allow it. I will click on the done. I'll refresh this page, and this time it will return true. So with the help of Navigator object, you can check if the cookies are enabled or disabled on user browser. You can also get some more specification about the browser, like the browser name, version, and code name using the Navigator object. I will use the document.write method to display all of these browser specification. You can also access the Navigator object without the window prefix like this way, and this time I will access the app name. This will return the app name of the browser. I will add a line break, and then I will access some more specification like this way. You can add the JavaScript statement in multiple lines like this way, and then I will look for the version. I will access the Navigator object, and for the version I will access the app version. Next, I will access the code name of the browser. For the code name, I will access app code name. I will access some more specification for the browser, like the platform. For the platform, I will use the Navigator object and then the platform property. These are all specifications of browser. And next, I will access the language. navigator.language. Next, I will access to check if the Java is enabled or not. Navigator.java enabled property, and this is the method property, and I think this is enough to see this specification about the browser. I'll go ahead, I'll save the script, and I'll refresh the browser. As you can see, these all are the specifications of these browsers. IE 11, Chrome, Firefox and Safari returns the app name as Netscape. Chrome, Firefox, IE, Safari and Opera will always return the code name as Mozilla. So with the help of Navigator object, you can check for several browser specification. So this was about the Navigator object.